To the jungle, come run and play. With tiny tails we swing all day. Grab your vines and join the crew. Zuzu and friends are waiting for you. Zuzu the monkey is silly and sweet. She flips and jumps on jungle feet. With a hoo-hoo-ha and a twisty spin, she shouts, "Let's go, let the fun begin." Tiko the toucan, colors so bright, flies through the trees like a flash of light. Ella the elephant splashes away, spraying cool water on a sunny day. They met a snake with a frown so wide, "I lost my rattle," poor Sly cried. So the jungle friends all searched around and cheered real loud when the rattle was found. Now it's time for a jungle beat, with dancing paws and stomping feet. Banana cake and music loud, they're laughing, singing, feeling proud. In the jungle, side by side, they laugh, they help, and swing with pride. With hearts so big and spirits high, they wave and shout, "A jungle bye!" That's our tale, wasn't it great? With friends like these we celebrate. So click that bell, come back real soon for more fun under the jungle moon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Tiny Tales.